You think productivity starts with getting organized, making lists, setting priorities, staying focused. But here's what nobody tells you before you can organize anything. You need to get it out of your head, right now. Your brain is running 100 tabs at once. There's the project deadline, the email you forgot to send, that idea you had in the shower, the dentist appointment, the thing your partner asked you to pick up. They're all competing for attention, draining your energy before you even start your day. High performers know something most people don't. They empty their minds first. It's called a brain dump, and in the next 10 minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to do it. If you've ever felt paralyzed by everything on your plate, this is for you. Stay with me, the framework is simpler than you think. Here's why this happens. Your brain wasn't built to be a storage unit. It was designed to process information, not hold it. But every day, you're asking it to juggle dozens of tasks, worries, deadlines, and half-finished thoughts all at once. That creates mental friction, a constant background noise that drains your energy. Before you do anything meaningful, you think multitasking makes you productive. It actually makes you slower. Picture this: the professional who sits down to work, but spends 20 minutes mentally sorting what to tackle first. The parent staring at a messy kitchen, paralyzed by everything that needs doing. The student with 3 assignments due, unable to start any of them. Sound familiar? This mental overload has real costs. Decision fatigue that makes every choice feel exhausting. Stress that follows you home. Poor sleep because your mind won't stop running through tomorrow's agenda. And worst of all, the illusion of business. You feel like you're doing a lot, but nothing actually moves forward. The good news, there's a way out, and it takes less time than you think. So what exactly is a brain dump? Let's clear this up. It's not journaling. It's not a to-do list. It's not therapy. It is a deliberate mental decluttering exercise where you get everything out of your head, without judgment or organization. The key principle here is quantity over quality, speed over structure. Most people try to organize while they write. That defeats the entire purpose. Here's why this works. Your brain has limited mental RAM. When you externalize your thoughts onto paper, you free up cognitive space for actual thinking and decision-making instead of just storage. What goes into a brain dump? Everything. Tasks you need to finish, worries keeping you up at night, random ideas, appointments, frustrations, half-thoughts that won't leave you alone. Literally, anything consuming mental energy. In a moment, I'm going to walk you through the exact process, step by step. Here's the exact framework. It happens in 3 phases, and the whole thing takes 10 minutes. Phase 1 is the rapid dump, and you've got 5 minutes for this. Set a timer, grab a pen and paper, or open a blank document on your phone. Now write continuously without stopping. No filtering, no editing, no organizing. Just capture everything. Tasks like email Sarah, feelings like stressed about presentation, random thoughts like need new running shoes, everything. The only rule is this: your hand keeps moving, your brain keeps emptying. Don't think about whether something is important or trivial. Just get it out. Here's where it gets easier. Phase 2 is the quick sort, and you've got 3 minutes. Scan what you just wrote and mark items with simple symbols. Circle urgent tasks. Star important projects. Underline things that need scheduling. You're not creating a perfect system here. You're just making sense of the mess. Add visual cues so patterns start to emerge. That's it. Don't overthink this part. Now phase 3. The next action. 2 minutes. This is the part people skip. Don't look at everything you circled and starred. Then pick 1 to 3 items that matter most today. Transfer those to your actual task list or calendar. Everything else stays on the brain dump page for reference. You might revisit it tomorrow. You might not. That doesn't matter right now. What matters is this final step bridges mental clarity with real action. You've emptied your mind and identified what actually needs your attention today. That's the framework. Let me explain why this is so effective. There's something called the Zeigarnik effect. Our minds obsess over incomplete tasks, creating constant background anxiety. When you write something down, you signal to your brain that it's handled, and that mental loop finally closes. Here's what else happens. Externalizing your thoughts activates different neural pathways. Seeing your thoughts on paper lets you process them differently than keeping them swirling internally. Your brain thinks it's helping by reminding you constantly. It's actually sabotaging your focus. The benefits show up immediately. Reduced anxiety, better sleep because your mind isn't rehearsing tomorrow's agenda. Improved decision-making because you're not mentally juggling everything. Increased creativity because you have space to actually think. Productivity researchers have studied this for decades, and the conclusion is clear. Your brain performs better when it's not also playing storage device. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Here is my challenge to you. Pause this video right now and do a 10-minute brain dump. Before you continue your day, think of it as an experiment. What do you have to lose? In the time it takes to scroll through social media, you can completely reset your mental state. If this cleared your head, subscribe for more techniques that actually work. No fluff, just practical tools you can use immediately. Remember this, mental clarity isn't a luxury. It's the foundation for everything else you want to accomplish. You deserve a mind that works with you, not against you. Now go clear your head.